Today we're going to bring an M.2 heatsink. We're going to take a look at it and we're going to install it on a motherboard. So let's go ahead and see what you get when you get something like this. All right, so we get it nice and packed with stainless steel on this part of it right here. And this is actually going to be the mount with the actual adhesive, which it has the thermal tape installed. All right, you're going to have to put that in there. There's another one here that they give you. Let me see if they give you the other one. So they give you a couple of them, all right? So in case you mess up once or twice, they give you 3 of them, all right? And 3 colors, 3 different colors. Well, two different colors, all right? So these are the adhesives that you need to install on this heatsink. And let's go ahead and pop it out. Oh, there you go. This is the actual heatsink that you have to install on the M.2. So this pretty much just goes over it along with the actual thermal tape. So, and this covers the whole thing. So not bad. All right, let's go ahead and set it up. So we're gonna put a thermal paste tape on the bottom of it. All right, so we're gonna do that right now. All right, we're gonna put this in here first. We're gonna make sure it's secure. All right, so we put the double-sided tape in here, and of course, we're gonna need a clearance on one of them, right? And then just remove this part of it, right? And we're also gonna put adhesive on the top of it, and we're gonna put this place however you want it. And you see the little bottom part? That's how you want to make sure you cover that part, all right? So that's where the actual screw is gonna go in. Once you have it in place, then you're able to drop in the actual radiator, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and lock it in place. And we don't want to cover too much of it because we want to make sure that we're able to lock it in place. And then once we do that, it just locks in and that's pretty much it. All right, so we're going to set up the actual M.2. I put the razor here and then all we got to do is lock it in place. And you guys see, I'm going to get my screwdriver in here. And we got plenty of clearance now because I actually moved some of the adhesive to the back. And all you got to do is just make sure you tie it down and you're set. So that's set up in our motherboard already. All right, very easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.